Hey guys, it's a pleasing Sunday morning here. Not exactly morning because it's already 12. I planned to start my day early, but weather was so good I wasn't feeling like leaving my bed. And hence I woke up at 10:30, which is bad, but anyway. So this is the place where I usually shoot my videos because this is right next to a huge window. Okay, and I'm having my breakfast, which is looking so pretty. I'll show you. Wait. So this is macaroni that I cooked yesterday evening. Some of it was left and I hate throwing food. So I've just reheated it nicely. And this is my half fry. Not exactly half fry because I cook this yellow part also. Like not entirely, but yeah, I do cook it. It is with one roasted brown bread and this is my coffee. और ये तीनों बिल्कुल ठंडे हो चुके हैं कैमरा की सेटिंग करते करते. तो इससे पहले ये और ठंडे हो जाए और खाने के लायक नहीं रहे, मैं जल्दी से इसको ख़त्म कर लेती हूँ. I have to shoot a YouTube video today, so I'm just trying to finish this up quickly. I like eating अपने हाथ से बना हुआ नाश्ता. I mean, I don't trust anyone with my breakfast. I like to cook my breakfast myself, and I like it. And I mean, it's instantly wakes me up. So yeah. रूम इतना मेसी हो रखा है, इतना गंदा हो रखा है. डेली हाउस हेल्प इसको अच्छे से साफ करती है. टुडे इज संडे सो इट्स ऑफ. अदरवाइज मंडे टू सैटरडे इट्स लाइक क्लीन कम्प्लीटली. पर एक दिन में वो इतना गंदा हो रखा है. आई वॉज जस्ट इग्नोरिंग इट एंड आई वाज लाइक लेट मी फिल्म अ वीडियो, उसके बाद आई क्लीन इट इन द इवनिंग. बट इतना अनबियरेबल हो गया, आई कांट इवन वॉक विदाउट माई स्लीपर्स ऑन. एक तो इतना हेयर फॉल हो रहा है ना. आई मीन एवरीबडी इज फेसिंग हेयर फॉल. आई थिंक इट्स वेदर चेंज, पर हर जगह ऐसे हेयर है. और इतना मैं खाना खाती भी नहीं हूँ जितना ये अजीब सा सब हो रखा है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना क्लीन दिस अप क्योंकि मैं इसमें नहीं कर पाऊँगी. No. आज के लिए इतनी सवाई काफ़ी है, इससे ज़्यादा मेरे से नहीं होगा. एंड आई एम टेरिबली लेट टू शूट माई वीडियो, सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गेट रेडी क्विकली एंड देन विल स्टार्ट शूटिंग. It's 6:15. I have just got done with my YouTube video. I was also filming for my Instagram, so that is why it took long. But generally also it does take long because what you see in a 10-minute video, it actually takes hours and hours to plan it, film it, and finally edit and put it on YouTube. So it's too much work. I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you guys, it's exhausting, but that's what I like to do on my weekends. Now I have to clear the mess that I've made while filming this video. I'm too embarrassed to show you guys right now the condition of my room, but whatever. I have to clean it, I have to take a bath, and then order something for myself. And also I want some coffee or chai, जो कि मुझे खुद ही बनानी पड़ेगी. Yeah, so let's begin. Dim lights are on. I do not like harsh lights. during night. I just switched on the studio light for this video, otherwise it will be too dark and you will not be able to see anything. I just cleaned up all the mess that I created while filming and took shower and changed into my super comfy night suit. And not just that, I oiled my hair, used some hair mask and then washed my hair, and it's such an hectic process. It's very time consuming, but I did that. After I was done with the video, I was so hungry and tired. I don't know what motivated me and from where I got the energy, but I did that, and I'm glad I did that because I'm feeling so good, so fresh and so light. And now because I was hungry, I already ordered some food. This is the chicken biryani, super spicy, and some sabudane ki kheer. These are some chutneys and dahi with this biryani. I love sabudane ki kheer. And for biryani, it's like जब craving होती है तो तगड़ी craving होती है. I need it. And normally I go for veg biryani. I don't know why I ordered chicken biryani. I don't know. Now it's my relaxing time. I will just have my food and watch something. Either I'll watch some YouTube videos because it's Sunday. People I watch must have uploaded something, so I'll watch that, or Netflix. I'm watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine these days, and oh my god, it's so good. It's so light-hearted, funny, and yet very interesting. I don't know, I'm saying it because I don't like comedy, but it's not like comedy. It's very good. It's very good. If you have not watched it, you can just give it a watch, couple of episodes, and see if you like it. By the way, talking about the laptop, I got this new laptop recently on Wednesday. No, on Thursday I got it, and I'll show you. Wait. This is how it looks. It's so good. It's so lightweight, and this has this cute key light. Very very useful for person like me. Initially, I wanted to get MacBook Pro, but then I decided I'll get iPhone instead. I mean, save on laptop and invest the money on phone. I don't know if that makes sense, but I needed both laptop and phone, so I decided either I'll take Mac or save money there and buy iPhone. I mean, already मेरा बहुत खर्चा हो रहा है, and I can foresee some more expenses coming my way, and I'm someone who needs to be like financially secure, and I don't know वो 5-6 credit cards और सबके ऐसे इतने high bills वाले लोग कौन होते हैं. मेरे को बहुत मिले हैं, बट मैं नहीं हूँ ऐसी. तो आई लाइक टू मैनेज माई फाइनेंसेस वेल. एंड ऑल्सो आई थिंक मैकबुक प्रो मुझे यूटिलिटी के लिए कम और स्टाइल के लिए ज़्यादा लेना था. उसमें ऐसे टच पैड एंड ऑल दैट बहुत ही सुंदर होते हैं, तो इसलिए ठीक है. आई जस्ट यूज दिस फॉर 2 years maybe, and then I'll buy Mac. I'll give this to someone. Let's see. Okay, now I have to start watching and having my food, नहीं तो बहुत लेट हो जाएगा. From last 1 week since I've come to Bangalore, I'm trying to sleep early. Sometimes I do, sometimes I can't, and wake up early too because that's the kind of schedule I want for myself. कभी होता है कभी नहीं होता है, but I just want to be very consistent. तो देखते हैं. और मेरा जल्दी मतलब 10-11 बजे नहीं होता, मेरा जल्दी होता है 12:31. अभी 1 है. There was a time जो मेरा जल्दी होता था 2-2:30 बजे. अभी जल्दी is 12:30. Mind it, jaldi is very subjective. Okay. Also, this harsh studio light is just hurting my eyes so bad. I can't just see anything. It's just like boom on my eyes. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna switch this off and enjoy this. I wish I could show you the entire room, how it looks, because it's so cute. I love my room. There are a lot of decor pieces that I want to put. So yeah, maybe later. But for now, बस इतना है. I'll catch you guys later. I had good sleep yesterday night and still I did not wake up on time. I mean, look at the weather, man. Here in Bangalore, it's so cold and windy, cloudy all the time. You just don't feel like getting up in the morning. So yeah, and that is why I'm having my breakfast so late. Otherwise, I was improving last week. I was improving, okay? Thank God I washed my hair last night. I mean, they are feeling so soft, so amazing and cleansed. My good hair is back on track and I'm so happy about it. They were just so bad last few months. And yeah, I'm just going to finish this breakfast quickly and I have to resume my office work as well. It's Monday, okay? It's a Monday. Thank you for watching this vlog and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.